Good morning. How are y'all this morning? Good, good. Okay, I'm going to talk about 2 minutes about what the Education Committee has been doing, and then I'm going to turn it over to Dr. Mooney and to Dr. Flesher. Generally, we've been working on 4 different projects, that one of these being the Research Grants Awards that you'll hear about today. We've also been looking at different educational rules, California's ethics, for example, Texas online rules. Also the Pathways Committee, which is a national committee that's been put together to look at education in accounting. The report hasn't come out yet, but they're working on the second phase, and NASBA wants to get much more involved in this, and so that's sort of what we're going to do next year. We've also been looking at accreditation and working and starting a joint project with the International Qualifications Appraisal Board, and then also working on a data warehouse with other accounting professionals. The 2012, I'm going to tell you about these first, and then I'll tell you about the 2011. We funded, or have asked to fund 3 different research grants. This program has really taken off. The first year that we put this together, we actually had 9. Last year we had 16 or 17. The committee worked really, really hard on this, and these are the 3 that have been funded. We also have one on best practices in online accounting, education, and then looking at different ways of presenting, in this particular case, some standards, but this has broader implications to how to better educate our students, and so we're looking at that kind, or funding that type of information. For 2011, and that's what you're going to hear about today, we funded 3 different research grants. One was looking at technology, and we actually have, and it's over there so I won't turn around, but we actually have a survey that I believe that Alfonso will have at the back of the room, and I'm going to ask you, anybody that's looking at hiring and hiring partners, is that right, Alfonso? And Alfonso has those surveys, and the researcher, Dr. Best and Rosalie McDevitt need some more data, so we're asking anybody that's hiring, a hiring partner, to please fill out one of these surveys. The other 2, the first one is Dr. Kate Mooney will be talking about what actually students are taking in the 150 hours and how that's affecting what they're taking. The other one Dr. Flesher will talk about are the factors that affect the dearth of minorities in CPAs.